In this video, I will quickly show you how to work on Monday.com to organize tasks and projects efficiently. First, go to Monday.com using your browser or app and sign into your account. Once you are inside, you can create a new board by clicking Create or New Board to start organizing your tasks. Inside the board, you can add items that represent tasks or project activities. Each task can include information such as owner, deadline, status, and priority. You can also add columns to better organize your data, such as date, tags, or assigned people. Monday.com allows teamwork by adding members to collaborate on the same project. You can also use different views, such as calendar, timeline, or dashboard, to track progress. This tool helps keep work organized and makes it easier to follow project activities. And that's it. Now you know how to work on Monday.com.